Alright, cool. Look, it's a claymore. As an intervention. It's an intervention on your screen? Nah, dude, on my screen it's a... No. Hold on. I need to fucking put this correct. How do I do... No. I can't do it. Hold on. How do I do this? Oh well. Look it. No, hold on. Look it. Look it. I just reloaded. What the? What the fuck? What the fuck? Hold on, do not kill me. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna make a new video.